Good evening, Tito. Sa tingin nyo po may alt season or bull run pa kayang magaganap this year? Oo naman. I mean, we're still in a bull run. Technically, nasa ano lang tayo. Nasa downtrend lang tayo ng short term. Pero we're still in a bull run. Now, for the alt season, if you're gonna ask if it's gonna be this year, or before the end of the year, mag-uptrend pa rin tayo. I believe December will be an uptrend. Pero hindi ko lang alam kung mag-start na ng alt season ng December. Kasi mauuna muna yung Ethereum. So, tingnan natin kung anong gagawin ni Ethereum. Ethereum needs to go first. Well, that's based on history. So, Ethereum muna. And then, tsaka magpa-follow yung the rest.